If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.
Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on indefinite integrals. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 11 to question number 18. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. So now the question number 11. Again it is a completing square method. Just now what we have done, under root formula, under root a square minus a square, that means these formulas. You have to make it in this way. So it will be, because there is a minus, it will be obviously in this format. 3 minus this x square is there. So first thing, you take these 2 out, you keep this x square alone. So that will save you lots of time. If you take out this 2 outside, that means you are taking root 2 outside. So 1 by root 2 integration of dx, 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2x, because you are dividing, you are taking 2 common. So that's why if you can think out also, you are dividing with 2. Okay, so now this is minus. So you can do it in this way, minus, take common, x square plus 5 by 2x plus minus 3 by 2, and then 1 by root 2 dx divided by minus, you write it 5 by 4. So 5 by 4, 2 will make you 5 by 2. So it will be 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2. So finally if you do it, you will get 1 by root 2 dx divided by minus x minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square minus, it will be 25 by 16, then 3 by 2. I am forgetting to give this root. There is a root is always there. Okay, root is always there. I forgot to give this root. There is a big root is there. Everything is inside this root. It will be root. If you take product this minus, it will be 7 by 4 whole square minus x plus 5 by 4 whole square. So what is the formula? A square minus x square, that is sine inverse x by a. It will be sine inverse, what is x? X is this one, x plus 5 by 4, and a is 7 by 4. It will be 1 by root 2 sine inverse 4x plus 5 by 7. Next, if you come to question number 12, again this is of this format, completing square. So it will be again 1 by x square plus 2 into x plus 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. So it will be 5x, 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus 5 by 2 whole square, x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus, it will be 4, it will be integration dx by x plus 5 by 2 whole square minus half square. So it will be of this format, integration x square minus s square, x square minus s square, that is 1 by 2a log x minus a by, so of this format. Here a is, x is this, a is this. So 1 by 2 into a is here 1 by 2 log x minus a, so x plus 5 by 2 minus half divided by x plus a, x plus 5 by 2 plus half. So it will be log 2x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 6. And take 2 common, and then x plus 2 by, it will be x plus 3. So that is your answer. If you come to 13, integration 1 plus cos 2x. So 1 plus cos theta, you know, 2 cos square theta. Cos 2 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So it will be root 2 outside, integration of cos x dx, and integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So that is your answer. Next, if you come to question number 14, integration of sin x plus cos x divided by under root 1 plus sin 2x. So what you can do, sin x plus cos x, and this one is very standard. 1 you root sin square x plus cos square x, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. So it will be sin x plus cos x divided by under root sin x plus cos x whole square. Whole square root will get cancelled and everything will get cancelled. You will left with only x plus c. So that is your answer. Integration of 1 is x. If you come to 15, it is cos square x dx. So okay, what is the formula of cos square x? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Just we have now apply this one. What is cos square x? 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. So half will be taken outside, integration of 1 is x, and integration of cos is sin 2x, because there is 2 we have to divide by 2. So that is your answer. 16 is again that format, we have to make it perfect square, x square plus 7x plus 2, this one. So if you do this one again, dx divided by, you make it perfect square, x square plus 2 into x into 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 7 by 2 whole square. So it will be dx divided by x plus 7 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 49 by 4. So it will be integration dx divided by x plus 7 by 2 whole square. 2 are 8, then it is 41 root 41 by 2 whole square. So what is the format? It is integration dx by under root x square minus a square. So this is the format, x square minus a square. Again 2a log x minus a by log x plus a. So this is your x here. 1 by 2a. What is a? Root 41 by 2 log x minus a, x plus 7 by 2 minus root 41 by 2 divided by x plus 7 by 2 plus root 41 by 2. It will be 1 by root 41 log, if you take 2 as an LCM, it will be 2x plus 7 minus root 41. It will be 2x plus 7 plus root 41. Next, again if you come to question number 17, again it is of that format, integration of e to the power x 1 by x plus log x. So what was the format? E to the power x fx plus f dash x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so that is already there. If I take log x, let fx equal to log x, so your f dash x is equal to 1 by x. So you can write it e to the power x, it is fx plus f dash x dx. So what is the answer? It is e to the power x into fx plus c. So what is fx? E to the power x into fx is log x plus c. Next, if you come to question number 18, integration of x into sin x. So it is a by parts product format. So if I take ilate, so it is algebra and then trigonometry. So which one is first? Algebra. So algebra, this one will be first, this one will be trigonometry. So first function constant, integration of second minus integration of second into differentiation of first whole integration. It will be x minus x cos x minus integration of sin x is minus cos x and x is 1 dx. So it will be minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So this is your answer.
If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.